Problem of the day 69. Find the shear and moment diagram of the beam. So got 10 feet, 10 feet, and then 10 kips in the middle. And then you got A and B. So A is the pin support, B is the roller support. So sum of the forces in the X equals 0. So that is already done since there's no forces in the X. And then we'll sum the moments at A, so at this pin support. And this will be positive. This way will be positive. And so we'll get negative 10 times 10. So that comes from this reaction force. So here's your lever arm is 10 feet. And then it has a force of 10 kips. Plus, and this is the negative because it's going clockwise where we said counterclockwise is positive, plus By times 20. So By is here, this force in this direction, times 20. And that was your lever arm, and this is actually positive because it's counterclockwise. And then once you solve for By by moving this term over here and then divided by 20, you get By equals 5 kips, and then sum of the forces in the Y. So we're trying to find this AY point, and you end up getting 5 kips because you got some force of Y equals 0 plus 5, which is that By term, minus 10 kips plus AY. And that comes out to 5 kips. So now we will plug in the items into our shear and moment diagram. So we know at AY it goes up 5 kips, so it will keep going across for 5 kips, and then it will go back down 10 kips. It'll jump down at this force, and then it'll keep going because no other forces are acting upon it, and then it will jump back up to 5 kips because this is up at 5 kips at By. So that's our shear diagram. And the reason why it's a line instead of anything else is when it's just a regular force, it will be a line. If it was a distributed force, it would be a linear line like this, but that's a integral of shear. Moment is an integral of shear. Because it's the area under the curve. But if it was the other way, if it was a line, this would be parabolic. So now we'll solve for the max moment. The max moment is going to just be area underneath here. So you get 5 times 10 feet, and you get 50 kip feet. And then that's how you go from 0 to there. So that's that area, and then 0 to here, and that's that area. So you can see it here, and it goes back and forth.